arm, elbow, wrist, finger, thumb, palm, hand, chest, shoulder, leg, heel, knee, head, hair, face, nose, ear, eye, mouth, cheek, chin, teeth, neck, lip, umbilical, nails, eyebrows, fists, kidneys, lungs, liver, ribs, stomach, heart, brain, intestines, foot, armpit, ankle, waist, nostrils, calf, glut, toe, forehead, back, gums, abdomen, tongue,